Okay, let's talk a bit more about the posting process and how the posting process is shown in the videos, where it happens, what happens within it, and why that's important.
The most interesting use for medium and small banks of the sorter reader to 407 is to perform a complete deposit accounting function. One does not need a computer to perform deposit accounting. Therefore, we see the uses of the sorter reader to the 407. It lists, it totals, it posts to account balances.
Notice the checks being read in the sorter reader into the 650, the account balance feeding the information in, punching a card, and writing the journal and a trial balance. The information on the daily posting journal is shown here. The account number, the previous balance, today's items, the debits and the credits, the new balance on the account.
These transactions on tape are then sorted to account sequence. After the information is organized in account sequence on tape, it is used to update or post customer account records on new tapes. During the posting run, the trial balance is printed and proved.
Okay, the posting process. I'm a little bit disappointed in the way these videos present the posting process. They don't explain it in much detail, do they? They spend a lot of time on the sorter reader. That's because these processes of reading checks and getting this check information into an electronic format was really what the focus of this system was about. The sorting process precedes the process of posting, but that's not really about the posting process. Even in these videos, the posting process is a little bit hidden. It can be hinted at and seen a little bit through the idea of the tape drives, and the tape drive storing all of the account data for a customer account, and the need to take these transactions in, the checks in, and update the balances on the tape drives. So the posting process, we get the trial balance shown there very clearly, and the proofing process of proving that once we've added all the debits and credits, that they are equal to each other, and we equal the amounts that were in the batch totals, and that everything still foots and adds up arithmetically. That's very clear in these videos. But the actual process of reading yesterday's transactions, which typically in these videos I think would have been stored on the magnetic tape drives, and then you would have used the checks. Either the checks were recorded on a magnetic tape before the posting process, and then you read the two tapes in parallel so that they got updated, or you went straight from the checks and updated the balances on the magnetic tape drive and wrote to another magnetic tape drive so that you could do an update process and write out new balances. That process isn't really outlined in a lot of detail here, but I think that you get the sense that it's clearly what's happening. And that's the important process. You can even see in 1959, posting as a process had already become hidden. Not something that we focused too much about innovating around. It's something that even at that early stage was already something that was somewhat hidden from view. These videos are interesting, if for no other reason, then I think they demonstrate that, because posting is one of our key business processes in the business world today.